Welcome on board with Aidan Hills as he's qualified P1. We're starting off from the grid, approaching the Paddock Hill bend at the Brands Hatch GP circuit. Already you can see that Aidan has started to pull out a gap on the rest of the field. Very clean lines there, fast through Paddock, up the hill as he approaches Druids, down into second. Easy on it, patience is the key there, then straight on the gas. Again, very tidy lines down the hill, approaching Graham Hill, late on the brakes, a decent amount of curb as he heads along the Cooper Straight, getting all set up for the absolutely critical Surtees corner, approaching Hawthorns Hill, which is the fastest straight on the GP circuit. Again, very clean there, a late apex, takes a decent amount of curb on the exit, stays right, then as he approaches the bridge, he's at maximum power, all the way down the hill. You'll see him hit something like 110 miles an hour here, and then at the last marker board, it's a little lift, hit the apex, and then along this short straight, before he hits a right-hander at Westfield, good amount of curb there to maximize speed, down the Jingle Dell, approaching Sheen into third. Looks like you can't see that apex there, but there's a decent amount of curb. He's got that absolutely spot on. Again, down another short straight and into this fast left-hander on the gas straight away, down through approaching Clearways. Again, a critical corner to get right. Beautiful lines there, just letting the car drift wide onto the pit straight. What sort of time is he going to do? It looks like 1:50 from a standing start at Brands Hatch GP.